Welcome to Level 2. In terms of the what, why, and how of Level 2, let's kick it off with the what we learned together. We will learn about data types like text, meaning a string, or a number, meaning Boolean, integer, or a floating data type. We will also discuss how to declare variables as text or a number.
Now, in terms of why are we going to discuss whether a data type is a text or a number? Because Python needs to know if an item is a number so it can do calculations with it.
Lastly, how. How are we going to learn about data types and variables together? Well, we will have several exercises that we will do together here in Level 2 in order to understand how to declare variables as a data type of text, meaning string, or how to declare variables as a data type of number, meaning an integer, floating point, or Boolean.
Please note that we will discuss more advanced strings and data types like arrays and these items in this level of the course. In addition to these exercises that we will do together during Level 2, at the end of Level 2, we'll also have a final exercise and a quiz to help us reinforce what we learned together in this section. Thanks.